welcome back to our channel Diva's Planet. So guys, in this video I thought to share with you guys my favorite shoes. So I am a shoe fetish for sure. I like good shoes, you know, like the things that look attractive to the eye, and I just love buying shoes. And sometimes my friends call me that do I have a shop of shoes, because I am having shoes everywhere in my house, like in my room, in my closet, in the shoe rack, of course, in my parents' room. I mean, like everywhere you can find shoes everywhere in my house. So I thought if I would show you guys all of my shoe collection, then this video would be like for 24 hours. So I thought that I am gonna show you guys my favorite shoes. So let us start my first shoe. So this is the one that I recently got, and I ordered it from Ajio, but these shoes are from Steve Madden. So this is my first Steve Madden purchase, and these shoes are so freaking pretty. Oh my god guys, like you can see, so pretty. So these are having these little heels over here, and Madden girl. Okay, so we can tie up through this to school shoes ke buckle type of thing, that thing. And when I wore them, they look so freaking royal and lavish and so good. So I definitely love these pair of shoes from Steve Madden. These are my current favorite, and I love these shoes for sure. Talking about the other shoe that is also a heel, so I am having these ones which are from Madame. So these shoes are so good. These are having these glass kind of thing at the heel, and these are very comfortable to walk, I must say. You do not get tired, or you do not get, you know, like burnt foot or something like that. Like you will feel absolutely comfortable in these shoes from Madame. I really love these shoes, as you can see. Talking about the third pair, which is again a heel, but these are very small kitten heels. The Madame ones were pretty high, like not very high, but these are comfortable to wear. So these are from Zara. These are leather shoes, and yes, so you can see they are having these very cute bows over here, which is so pretty. I really love the design of it. I wore it on my birthday, and I am really obsessed with these shoes. I really find them super comfy. These are the comfiest heels I am having in all over my shoe closet, I would say. And these are pointed, you know, like in the front, so your toes come till here, and the look is super fantastic. Like I really love these shoes a lot. Talking about the other pair, these are pencil heels. These look so pretty. Like if you see in a visual, they look so pretty, like wow, bombshell and stuff. But when you wear this, you get the real thing. Like then you will understand that shit just got real. These are not that comfortable when you wear, like not in this thing that when you wear them you'll feel that you can't you are having burnt foot or rashes. No, but you can't walk. Like you can, but if you do not have a lot of practice in walking in such big heels, then it is very difficult for you to walk. Then tum ghasite ho apne aap ko rather than walking. Looking at this is a very cute cultural, and you know, lot of prints over here. You can see bloom, and it is in size 10. So these ones are of my mom. So me and my mom share these shoes a lot because because हम दोनों का shoe size is very same. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती है ना जो देख के हमें बड़ी पसंद आती है and then we buy it and then we say यार ये तो डाली ही नहीं जाती. And then now talking about the heels, these were all of my favorite heels. I do have a lot of more heels, but these are the ones that I love the most and I wear the most. So yeah, and now I am having part 2, which is of sandals. These are very comfortable to wear, like when you're going on a party, comfortable. So when you're going to the mall or when you're going to anywhere, like for a brunch date or coffee date, these shoes go pretty well, and these are so easy to like wear and go for. So I prefer these sandals a lot because they're super comfortable. I do have one more like this. So इनको ना कभी-कभी people say जैसे horse के नहीं होते हैं पैर, वैसे टाइप के है इधर से. But these are super comfortable, I must mention this. So these are also another pair of sandals which look really trendy and stuff, but these are definitely rocking because these are super comfortable. Not get tired in these sandals. So the sandals are definitely the go-to option. I love sandals a lot. Now talking about the part 3, because I have kept just 3 parts of this because I don't want to stretch this videos and showing just my favorites. So now the part 3 comes to when I say that I am having shoes. Now shoes is something that we all need, and I am having a very good pair of shoes. These ones are super good. Like, look at them. Oopsie. Yeah. Look at them. These are the Oxford shoes in the white and golden color, and these shoes I love. I love these shoes a lot. I got it like a year back, no, 2 years back, and I absolutely love these shoes. These are super comfortable to wear, and these are having a little platform over here, but still these shoes are definitely the best thing on this planet. Apart from them, I'm having another pair of sports shoes. Not sport, like I do not wear it when I go for trekking or anything, but I like wearing them when I go for like a meetup with your friend, like a get together or something like that, because these shoes are so pretty. Oh my god, like these are having these white these peach marks over here, and I must say that जितने भी मैंने आपको shoes दिखाए हैं, like from all of them, these are the shoes that I wear the most, and these are the most comfortable shoes, and these look super cute. Like, watch them. Wow. You should always have one white sneaker or a shoe in your closet. Always. Okay, talking about the third one. So these are my sports shoes, my favorite ones. So these are in the burgundy color from Campus, and these I like the most. I wear them almost every day, and these are the best. Like हर जगह में काम आ सकते हैं ये shoes. ऐसे हैं, मतलब कोई चीज़ें आपकी ऐसी होती हैं that you can use anywhere, like कहीं पे भी. So these are the ones that you can use anywhere. हाँ, कहीं पे भी. So that was it for my heels, sandals and shoes, but I have one more thing to show you guys, and that is these shoes. These are so cute. I really love wearing these shoes. I got it from Kasoli when I went to when I went for a trip to Kasoli, and these are so cute. Like सबसे comfortable shoes out of the vlog. मतलब ये तो ऐसे है कि you can wear it any time. मतलब सो भी सकते हो तुम इसमें. इतने ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं यार ये. These are super good. Are not only cute to look, but these are very comfortable to wear as well. So yeah guys, I had these shoes only for you guys in this video because I was showing you my favorite shoes, and I really hope you had a pleasure watching this video. Do tell me down in the comment section below which was your favorite shoe. Mine were all of them. And yeah guys, I hope you had a lot of fun watching this, and do tell me your shoe stories down in the comment section. I would love to hear them. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.